Hello everyone, I'm back once again with the next video, and today's video is about Net Promoter Score, a very important matrix which will help you to understand what's the employee satisfaction of your organization. What we usually do, we float the survey and we see the percentage, and that we call as a employee satisfaction. No, but the right metric of employee satisfaction is Net Promoter Score. Net Promoter Score means the percentage of promoters minus the percentage of detractors. Now the question is, who is a promoter and who is a detractor? When you float the survey, the person who gives you the score of 9 and 10, that person is called as promoter. And the person who gives you the score of 1 to 6, that person is called as detractor. The people giving you the score of 7 and 8, they are called as passives. So always our yearly survey for employee satisfaction has to be on the scale of 1 to 10. You can give different questions, which we call that as a questionnaires, where you ask them, hey, how about your feeling for the progress in the organization, or for the growth, goals, objectives, communication, management, motivation. So many questions you put. But for each question, you have to tell the employee to rate you on the scale of 1 to 10. And then you see the average score, what is coming for all the employees. The people who give you the scale, a score of 1 to 6, they are called as detractors. And 7 and 8, passives. 9 and 10 are called as promoters. The NPS formula is percentage of promoters minus percentage of detractors. Example, I'm a 10-man organization. I floated a survey. 2 of my workmen or people have given me 2 score. Out of 10, 2 people have given me 2 score. That means percentage of detractors I have 20%. And 8 people have given me the score of 9. That means I have 80% of promoters. So what is my ENPS score? That is percentage of promoters, that is 80% minus percentage of detractors, 80% minus 20%, 60% is my ENPS score. What you should target as an ENPS? You should always target for 60% above as your ENPS. Try to get ENPS 60. It is very tough, but that should be your exact metric and will help you to understand what's the feeling of your employee. We always, our healthy organizations always target above 60. Even if you're getting 40, 50, that's fair, good amount, but that's the important metric that you should take care of when you are closing your year. So ENPS score is the important HR metric, as you measure the other metrics, could be cost per hire, male versus female ratio, your attrition rate. Same way, ENPS is also an important metric which you should take care of before closing off your year. I hope you have liked today's learning. If you have, hit like, comment and subscribe the channel. Do share the channel with your friends. You can also visit our website www.theskilldeck.com, or you can download our application of SkillDeck that's only available for Android store if you are looking to buy any pre-recorded courses. I hope you have liked today's trick. I will be back again with the next video tomorrow. By then, take care. Bye-bye.